Well, with the amount of races happening here at the Speedway Motors IMCA Super Nationals fueled by Casey's, there's going to be a need for some parts. That's why Teresa's here. Teresa, how busy is this week for you?
It's a little bit crazy, but it's awesome that we meet new people. So we just hope to have the parts that they need to get them back racing again.
What's the number one thing you've sold so far this week?
Oh, I don't know. There's lots of different parts and pieces that we've sold, anywhere from ball joints to center links to upper control arms.
You've got it all right here in the trailer, and to me it looks like an absolute nightmare to try to inventory all this stuff.
Oh,
How many products do you have here?
I can't even tell you how many parts I have. I just start at one end and go to the other end to get it all inventoried and ready for this week.
If we're not at Super Nationals, where can we find you?
Well, I'm at the store Monday through Saturday up in Schleswig, Iowa. It's right on Main Street, easy to find. Otherwise, we are at Crawford County Speedway in Denison on Friday nights and Shelby County Speedway on Saturday nights.
We appreciate you being here.
Yep, thank you.